I made it to the top, guys.
Yes, I'm on.
And I'm gonna show you the view from the top, 360 degree view.